Yeah. Maybe go a little bit on the left. Yeah, a little bit to me. Yeah, like this. Salsa basic step. How to dance it? Let's do it again. Salsa basic for beginners. So how to dance salsa? So number one, put your feet together. Shit. Because I want you to. Yeah, let me announce that we're gonna do salsa, and then you're gonna turn around. So all
When
of
do you
this
want
you're
me
gonna
to
face
say?
there
The whole time?
the whole time. Because when I'm gonna explain, say go left. Yeah,
Sure. Or if you want, we can like start facing the camera and
and
then
then say
you
okay.
can say.
Yeah, when I start showing the step, I want you to face there.
Okay.
So kind of people, some people want to follow you, some
Okay.
people will follow
Okay.
you. Yeah. Okay, let's go.
Let's try.
Salsa basic for absolute beginners. Let me explain you in a very easy and simple way. Anybody can do it. So I will ask Bailey to turn around. Now, how to dance salsa? Put your feet together. Now, soften your knee just a little bit. Now, find your left leg. Now, with the left leg, we're going to do a small step forward. One. Then we return back. Two and three. We're going to bring our feet together. Let's do it again. So you have forward, back, together. And now with the timing, 1, 2, 3. Now from here, we're going to find our right leg. And now with the right leg, we're going to go backward. Same 3 steps. 1, return backward. 2, together 3. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3. Now let's combine those 2 steps together. We go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And notice I count 1, 2, 3, and then silent 4. So we hold 5, 6, 7, silent 8. Then we hold on 8. So in this position, we're going to spend just a little bit more time. So let's do it again, starting with the left. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now, some of the mistakes, what not to do. So number one, try not to bounce. So try not to bounce too much when you're doing your salsa basic. Try to stay as flat as you can on the one level. So let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And number two, advice, do as small as possible steps. So try not to travel, always come back to that middle. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Let's try it with the music. Yeah, excellent. Connect to this one better.
Tengo que salir de aquí, no tengo pa' dónde darle. Tengo que salir de aquí, no tengo pa' dónde darle. La neta me ha ido mal y no sé cómo aliviarme. La neta me ha ido mal y no sé cómo aliviarme.
Yeah, I will edit it.